cute and talented little girls na naman ang nagbabalik at magpapabilib sa inyo ngayon.
Hatid ito ng new Vaseline Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo, Star Margarine Chocolate at Star Margarine Vanilla.
Kilalanin na natin, Jules, ang ating unang semi-finalist. Ito'y mula sa Baguio City. Siya po ay anak ni na Luisito Lim at Jenny Ante. Ito na si Venus Lim.
Tito Ryan, ito na si Miss Pokining Dollars. Si Venus Lim galing ng Baguio. Hi, Venus!
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine.
Again, where'd your teeth go?
Did you leave it at home, Venus?
No, how could you leave it?
Okay, because I know some people, they leave it at home.
I think it's a false teeth if you do like that.
Marunong ka naman. Okay, Venus, you speak good English, but let me ask you, why is it important for children to learn to speak good English?
It's about for the school and for the school. That's what I mean. And for the future, like to be
Yes.
an actress. How could you be an actress if you don't know
Aba?
what is that?
Pero, Venus, is it also important to learn how to speak in Tagalog since you're in the
Actually-
Philippines?
Actually, because we live here and that's our language here.
Tama.
So, ikaw, matututo ka na magsalita ng Tagalog.
I know some words, but I'm not so actually very good the one I know. That's why I could also speak.
Yon. Venus, maganda yung sinabi mo na matuto ng English because of school, so for learning and for your
The
future.
future.
Pero maganda rin matuto mag-Tagalog in case you make para the jeep, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, you tell the taxi driver and you eat in the restaurant, di ba?
Yeah.
You order the order the barbecue, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, ikaw, magpapaturo ka na ng Tagalog na dire-diretso ka na, Mami?
Yeah. I could speak fluently, but not so very. Not actually very fluent.
Yeah, practice lang yan,
Okay.
Venus. Pero ito, ano ba ang gagawin mong talent for us today, Venus?
I'm gonna act Cinderella.
You're going to act like Cinderella.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Little Miss Philippines semi-finalist number 1 from Baguio City, Venus Lim.
Go, Venus.
Hello, everybody. My name is Venus Lim, 6 years old from Baguio City. There's a saying that if you have a strong faith in God, it will lead you in success. I thank you. Cinderella lived with her stepmother, her two ugly stepsisters. They made her work in the house like a servant. You clean all this mess in this house, the garden, and upstairs. One day, the king invited her stepsisters to the royal ball. Her stepsisters were so excited. Oh, I really want to go to the palace and to meet the prince. Give my dress, Cinderella. Cinderella was left alone in the house when the day of the ball arrived. She cried near the fireplace. How could I attend the ball with this ugly dress? How? Suddenly, a fairy appeared before her. I'm your fairy godmother, she told her. The fairy godmother waved her magic wand. A beautiful coach with fine horses and a coachman appeared. Her old clothes became a beautiful gown, and she gave her a shining pair of blushes. Oh, what a beautiful dress! Makes my dream come true. Be back before midnight, the fairy godmother warned her. She thanked her and went off to the palace in the beautiful coach. Cinderella was the most beautiful lady in the palace, and she caught the attention of the prince. When the clock began to chime, Cinderella rushed out the palace door. One of the bushes is lifted up, but she left it in the stairs. The king ordered search for the owner of the dishes. Her stepsisters tried the shoe, but it won't fit them. Cinderella can fit it. When Cinderella tried the shoe, it fitted her perfectly. Cinderella was back brought to the palace after the prince married, and they lived happily ever after. Thank you.
Thank you, Venus, sa pagpili ng Little Miss Philippines. Titignan natin ang kanilang personality, wit, and talent.
Pasalamatan na rin natin si Mami Jenny.
Oo.
Alam naman natin kung kanino nagmahal si Venus.
Oo, kung paano magtanggal ng sapatos si Mami, ganun din si Venus. At maluhod-luhod, ganun.
Kaya kilalanin na natin, Jules, ang ating ikalawang semi-finalist. Mula naman sa Fairview, Quezon City, siya ay anak ni na Michael at Christine Arteta. Eto na si Alvienda, England, Serenice Arteta.
Hello, Avienda.
Hello po.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
5 years old. Avienda, you speak English also, pero nakakaintindi ka ba ng Tagalog?
Hindi po.
Ibig sabihin, konti,
Konti lang.
Alright. Avienda, meron kaming tanong sa'yo. Ano ba yung pinaka-favorite mo? Christmas, New Year, o birthday?
Christmas.
Why?
Because it's my birthday on June 20. Tomorrow.
No, bakit Christmas yung favorite mo?
Kasi ni Jesus.
Birthday ni Jesus.
Opo. And plenty gifts too.
Of course. Kasi nga naman, pag birthday, konti lang. Pag
Oo.
Christmas,
Lahat.
buong kamag-anak talaga
And
nagbibigay
everybody
ng
has
gifts.
gifts, no, pag Christmas?
Opo.
Okay, Avienda, what are you going to do for us today in the talent portion?
Play Piano Born This Way by Lady Gaga.
Complete. Wala ka nang itatanong pa. Are you ready, Avienda?
Opo.
Okay. The Miss Philippines semi-finalist number 2 galing ng Fairview, Quezon City, Avienda, England, Serenice Arteta.
Hello po, my name is Avienda and I am 5 years old. I live in Quezon City. Ang sabi ni Mommy and Daddy, ang sabi ni Lady Gaga, we are open superstars like me. Tayong bakit ay parang dictionary because we give meaning to the life. Life is out cases like a broken pencil. Pointers. Top view, side view, bottom view, kahit ano view, I love you. Real peace. Mwah. Please sing with me. To be dragged as speaking, to be dragged as speaking, to be dragged as speaking. Don't be. Remember me when I was young. Open superstars. So draw my hand and throw my lipstick on in the glass of forward door. There's nothing less loving really right. She said God made the perfect day. So hold your head and up and you'll go far. Listen to me when I
my
May
goodness.
posing pa.
Diba?
Kumbaga sa ulam to, kumpleto ang recado.
Oo,
Bien.
hanggang dessert. Mami Christine, manang-mana sa'yo si Bien.
Well
Very
done.
good. Here's our third semi-finalist mula sa Malolos City, Bulacan. Siya ay anak ni na Shepherd Lopez at Michelle Manahan. Eto na po si Sacha